If your Spectrum router is blinking blue, it means the router is trying to connect to the internet. This usually happens during first-time setup or after the connection has been interrupted. Start with the simplest fix. Restart the router. Unplug it, wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This alone fixes many temporary connection glitches. If the blue light keeps blinking, check all cable connections. Make sure the coax cable, Ethernet cables, and power cord are firmly connected and not damaged. Even a slightly loose cable can prevent the router from establishing a connection. Next, restart your modem, since the issue may not be the router at all. Unplug the modem, wait 30 seconds, then reconnect it, and allow it to fully boot before restarting the router. If basic steps don't work, check for a Spectrum service outage using the My Spectrum app or website. If there's an outage, the blinking light will continue until service is restored. When there's no outage and the problem persists, you can try a factory reset by holding the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. Keep in mind this erases all custom settings. If nothing resolves the issue, contact Spectrum support. Persistent blinking usually points to signal problems, firmware issues, overheating, or faulty equipment that requires professional diagnostics or replacement.